Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board about this question. You're given this data value. You find the least squared regression line here. You may have used StatCrunch or your calculator to come up with this answer. And you had a question about part C, which is, if you look at your picture, it's on down the screen. Part C asked, what would be the predicted value for this data here. So if a car weighed 3,425 pounds, what would be the predicted value? So you want to replace X with that weight, and that's what I've done here, and I've used my calculator, and I come up with 22.6 rounded to the nearest two places, or one place, I guess. Then they say, what's the residue? And so to find the residue, you take the actual result minus the predicted result, and that's minus 0.2. I hope that helps.